Yes, all of you can hear me now, students. See, we will complete the small topics. Okay, and then I will leave you. Very less time is available. Just concentrate here for a few more minutes. I will not take much time. Just concentrate now. Yes. See here now, all of you. Volumetric efficiency, when I talk about, okay, it is given by mass of charge of air actually taken in per stroke upon mass of swept volume. Okay. So mass of swept volume, okay, all these things is at atmospheric condition. Okay, mass of swept volume is at atmospheric pressure, or wherein the mass of swept volume is taken in terms of pi by 4 d square L. Okay, into your this is taken in terms of atmospheric pressure. When you are taking the mass of swept volume, okay, the swept volume is pi by 4 d square L. Okay, so when this air is taken in atmospheric pressure, okay, then that mass you have to take in, okay, into account when it is at atmospheric pressure. So mass of swept volume is taken as pi by 4 d square L. Okay, so all of you know density, it should be density is mass upon volume. Okay, so if the density is increasing, okay, your volume will decrease. Okay, density is increasing. So see, okay, we will discuss that later. When the things will come, I will discuss with that. You just see here what is volumetric efficiency is the mass of charge of air actually taken in per stroke. Okay, so that is your mass of charge of air in the section stroke. Okay, so uh, mass of charge of air which is taken in the suction stroke upon mass of the swept volume. Okay, so swept volume is pi by 4 d square L. Mass of the swept volume, that is pi by 4 d square L. Okay, so in terms of pi by 4 d square L, okay, in that stroke length, how much is the mass of the air? Okay, how much is the mass of the air that is taken in the denominator, and mass of charge of air actually taken in the suction stroke? Okay, that is volumetric efficiency. Let us move ahead now. What is remaining? See, I will show you what is specific fuel consumption. Okay, see what is written. First, to understand, try to understand this. The economical performance of an engine is measured in terms of specific fuel consumption. Any engine is measured in terms of fuel consumption also. Okay, how much fuel it is taking and how much power it is giving. So it is the fuel consumption per kilowatt per hour. It is the what is specific fuel consumption? It is the fuel consumption per kilowatt per hour. If I talk about brake specific fuel consumption and indicator specific fuel consumption, okay, brake specific fuel consumption, it is denoted by BSFC. B for brake, okay, S for specific, F for fuel, C for consumption. That is BSFC. And ISFC means indicated specific fuel consumption. These are the specific fuel consumptions, okay, on brake power and indicated power basis. Okay, this is an important parameter for comparing performance of two different engines. If you are taking two different engines of the same weight, of the same criteria, okay, this will be very easy to compare the engines, okay, of the same range. So what is brake specific fuel consumption here? It is the fuel used in kg per hour. Okay, fuel used in kg per hour means how much is the fuel which is consumed by the engine in 1 hour. Okay, that is the numerator. If in 1 hour it is, let us say it is consuming uh, half a liter of fuel. Okay, or it is consuming 1 liter of fuel. So in 1 hour, if it is consuming 1 liter of fuel, that will come here. Okay, we have to see, we have to run the engine, and we have to see how much amount of fuel is consumed in 1 hour. That will come in numerator, and this is in brake power. Whatever brake power it has produced in 1 hour, that you have to keep in denominator. So you will get brake specific fuel consumption as m dot f upon brake power. Okay, the unit will be kg per kilowatt hour. Okay, kg per kilowatt hour. This r I have taken in the denominator. Okay, so brake specific fuel consumption is in terms of the brake power, and indicated specific fuel consumption is in terms of the indicated power, students. So what will come here is the mass of fuel in consumed in 1 hour upon indicated power in kilowatts. So the unit here also will be same, kg per kilowatt hour. So which will be more, students? Indicated specific fuel consumption will be more, or brake specific fuel consumption will be more? Yes, anyone? Yes, you can message me. What will be more? Indicated specific fuel consumption will be more, or brake specific fuel consumption will be more? BSFC is more. Okay, BSFC is more. Students are saying BSFC is more. Okay. Okay. See, brake power is more or indicated power is more? Of course, indicated power is more. So these two things are coming in denominator. Okay. Here indicated power is more. Therefore, as indicated power is more as compared to brake power, m dot f, when you are dividing with indicated power, it will be a less value. And m dot f, when you are dividing with brake power, it will be the ratio of this will be more. So therefore, BSFC will be more as compared to the indicated specific fuel consumption. Okay. Yes, I think we should stop here now. See, the attendance is also remaining of yesterday's attendance is also remaining. Okay, I will share with you the attendance sheet. Okay, attendance sheet of yesterday's also I will share it with you. Don't worry if I am not able to share it with you. I will share on some other day. You can mark the attendance, those who are present. Okay, so don't worry about that. I will give you the attendance. Okay. Any doubt till now? Anyone who are having any doubt? Yes, students. Anyone having doubts? Okay. Yes, yesterday's attendance also I will give. Okay. I will share with you the Google form. Don't worry. I will share with you the Google form, and I will give you the attendance. Okay. So if there is no doubts, I can just end the meeting. Okay. All of you can leave the meetings. I will share with you the attendance sheet. Okay. Don't worry. Just try to note it down, all the things which are given in the lecture. Okay, just try to note it down, whatever is given. Okay, see, all the things will not be understood at one time. Everything will you will be getting a little bit, but as we will move ahead, you will understand all the things. Okay,